morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring. And today we have something, I don't know, well, easiest to say it would be one of the most unique 996 GT3s in the world, and its owner, Nick. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
That's good, that's good. Well, it's very unique for two reasons. First of all, this car has been featured on my channel, or maybe it was Boosted Boris's channel a long time ago, because, look at that. Almost 300,000 kilometers. And most of them are on the track, right?
A lot.
A lot.
A lot. Yeah. It's done 950 laps here, something like that.
Yeah. And then a lot
That's
of
just here.
Just here.
3,000 laps of Spa, you get the picture.
Yeah. Now, before people are gonna ask, is this the first engine? Well, previously we talked about it. It was the second engine, and right now is the third engine, right?
Yeah.
But there is something very special about it.
Yeah.
And what is it?
It's a 4 litre.
4 litre from a 997.
Effectively, yeah.
Effectively.
It's got the same crankshaft, so 4 millimeters extra stroke.
And then in addition, also a shorter gear ratio.
It's got the 997.2 RS gearbox.
Okay. And
Shorter ratios.
any other mods? I think the brakes look also 997-ish to me, or?
The brakes, Alcon on the rear.
Uh-huh.
And I have a brake company in the UK called Uber 9s, so they're Uber 9s.
Okay.
Those will be Uber 9s when these wear out.
Yeah.
Nitron 3-way dampers, everything's monoballed, there's no rubber in the suspension at all. Purely because it all wears out.
Yeah. I mean,
and monoballs are just easier to change.
Exactly.
So,
and you can see actually here through the layer of paint that it's carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Frunk.
Carbon rear bumper. M&M exhaust, cup exhaust on it, so it's loud.
Loud? Well,
Yeah, but it's okay here.
it's okay. Well, let's go and find out.
Okay, let's do it.
That's awesome. So excited. And for everyone wondering, the car is running P0 Trofeo R tires. Safety above everything.
Absolutely. If you don't have it, you're guaranteed to need it. And I have had a car burned to the ground on me before, and it's not something I want to repeat, so. Renault 5 Turbo.
Ooh, that's sad to hear.
In a tunnel.
In a tunnel?
Yeah, right at the start of a tunnel. Yeah. In London. And you can imagine it caused a bit of a log jam for miles around because it was on a major route.
Yeah.
And the burn marks were in the tunnel wall for years afterwards as a reminder to me. And it wasn't my car.
It gets better by the minute.
Yeah. I thought, you've got to build it, right? Right. All set?
Yep. 300,000. Woo! And the plan was to have it over 300,000 already, but then unfortunately the world happened.
COVID, yeah.
Yeah, so next time. Awesome, but
can I just give a shout out to my very good friend and engine builder, Matt Council at Farm Sport, who's unfortunately had a heart attack, but he's recovering. But none of this would have been possible without him.
cool. We will include the links in the video description to find out more if you want to have an engine build like this. It has transformed the car completely. I mean, 996 is already has proven to be a reliable and very good platform for track days, but this, wow, the best 996 I've experienced, and then one of the best Porsches ever. Like, the setup is so neutral. It's yeah, it's so smooth. Amazing. You saw it for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the video description for more information about it, and see you on another lap. Bye.